Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable autoplay animated emojis and messages on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've noticed that your emojis feel a bit static or you're missing out on those fun animations, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to your account and app preferences. Inside Settings, look for the Advanced option and click on it. This section contains more detailed customization features for your Telegram experience. Now, in the Advanced Settings, find the option labeled Animated Emoji. Turn this on to enable animated emojis across the app. Right below that, you'll see Autoplay and Messages. Make sure to enable this as well. This allows emojis to play their animations automatically when you receive or send messages, without needing to click on them. After enabling both options, don't forget to click on Save to apply your changes.